Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a login and register page for your WordPress and WooCommerce website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where in the upper right corner you can get started logging in. So go ahead and log in if you've not already, and after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started creating the login and registration page. So first things first guys, you want to set up your WooCommerce store if you've not already. So here at the left side screen you can find the WooCommerce option, which once you open up you can get started starting a new store if you don't have one, and if you have one then you can go ahead and manage it from this option right here. And now we can get started creating the login and registration page, and we are going to do that by opening up the plugins section right here. So you want to open up plugins. By opening up plugins right here, this is going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can take a look at all the plugins we can use for our WordPress website. And we want to use the search bar right here. In the search bar you want to search for user registration. This is going to enable us to search for all the plugins related to this. And now we're going to go ahead and get a list of all the plugins we can use. So guys, as you can see, a lot of plugins are offering this kind of option for you to enable user registration on your website. You can select whichever option you want, guys. You can select the one that's the best for you. You can go ahead and open any of them up, and once you have done so guys, you can go ahead and get started with installing it by clicking the install button that is going to appear right here. Currently I'm on a free plan, so I cannot install it, but by installing it yourself you can set up your registration form, and so on, everything you need to get started with setting up on your website so people will be able to register, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.